Hi, my name is Joel Zeman. Today I'm going to showcase my project for Coolest Projects 2022. My project is just a computer-based Hangman game. I'm pretty sure you know what Hangman is. Hangman is a pen and paper game where there are two players. One of the players chooses a word and the other player tries to guess the word. If you don't guess the word, you lose. So I am trying to make this game on my computer and I think I'm pretty successful. I have some limitations with my time, but I hope I can make it better in future. I have given the links to all my code in the description. It is in GitHub, so please feel free to open it. So let's get into the code. This is the code to my Hangman project. So I have initialized the values for the window and I have given some certain colors and I have given some buttons and I assigned some functions to the buttons, and if I win, it shows that winner, you have press any key to play again, and if you have lost, you lost, press any key to play again. So it just cross checks the letters with the words I have clicked and checks if it is correct, if it's in the correct order, and it also has underline for the dash or the blank spaces given for each word. So these are the main things I have done. So this is the code, and I have also hand drawn some pictures and I have made it into PNG form and I have added to the code, and these are some of the words I have collected from online sources. So all of this is in my GitHub, and I have the link to my GitHub code and to my GitHub profile in the description. So I will just run the game now. So yes, it's loading up, and yes, so this is the game. So this is the first picture, and when I click on it, so it was the wrong letter, sorry, it was the wrong letter, so I get a sad face like this. This was also not the letter. B was a part of the letter. It was not. C was not. F was not. I, no. Okay, so the word was bygone, so I have lost. So if I click again, the game will start. So this is basically my code. I hope I can get shortlisted to the final list. Hope to be a winner. Thank you for having me.